Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 4 to 10, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay, and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH, and please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Ayan, link on the description. So let us see, Aquarius. What's up, Aquarius, for you this week? You have Sagittarius, the Voyager. O, yung iba may travel. You also have the Aries energy and Venus. Meron kayong ipupursue na pwedeng career or gusto ninyo sa buhay na hindi kayo mapipigilan. Oo, hindi na kayo magpapapigil kasi this is your way of loving yourself. Yung iba kasi pwedeng iniisip nyo ano na lang sasabihin ng iba. Oo, kasi most of the time iniisip niya yung ibang tao. But ngayong week na to, sarili niyo yung iisipin nyo. You will focus on self-care, self-love. Yung iba sa inyo travel therapy yung gusto nyo. Mas nag-enjoy kayo na going to other places, meeting new people, ganyan. So mayroong adventure for you this week. And some of you naman, meron kayong ipupursue na pwedeng higher learning or training, or may i-research kayo about money, about financial literacy, pwede ring financial investments, no, na mga gusto mong pasukin. So let's see ano pa, Aquarius. Aquarius, you have the Hierophant, so you have Taurus energy here. I think you will be open to mentorship. Merong nagtuturo sa iyo or nag-encourage sa iyo ngayon. You have the Eight of Swords. Yes, someone is releasing you from a limitation. Pwede kasing nilimit mo yung sarili mo sa mga kaya mong gawin. So someone is giving a helping hand, trying to save you from that. You also have the Queen of Swords. So mas ka ngayon, maingat sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, especially doon sa mga nagtiwala pero hindi kayo hindi naibigay yung expectations nyo. Okay? You also have the Magician and the Ten of Pentacles. So the Ten of Pentacles energy is about abundance, financial stability, and with the Magician card here, I think you are into manifesting your dream life, no? And magagawa mo lang yan. You can make that happen if you believe in yourself. So I think ngayon, you will not care what other people will say, kung ano pa yung mga sino or ano yung mga pumipigil sa'yo. You will focus on achieving your goals and dreams in terms of your money, your finances. Meron ding communication dito with someone regarding sa mana, no? Kung meron kayong mga hinihintay na inheritance from someone, meron na tong balita. Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magugulat kayo na, uy, meron pala kayong ine-expect na mamanahin, no? From your ancestors, from your lolo, lola, parents. So, let's see. Ano pa, Aquarius, for this week? Some of you are also going to cut off connections, no? Sa mga taong alam mong hindi na helpful sa'yo, or sila yung mga dahilan kung bakit hindi ka nag-grow. Okay? a sincere wish will be granted. Wow, ang ganda naman nito, Aquarius. Meron kayong wish na matutupad. Na itong wish na to, matagal nyo nang hinihintay, matagal nyo nang wini-wish, nagaling mismo sa puso ninyo. So, this is going to be granted. This makes sense with the Magician kasi this is about manifestation. So, I think this is related to your family, your money, no? Pwede ring inheritance or finances. So, itong a period of ill health. Be very careful with your health. Okay, Aquarius. Like what I've mentioned kanina, isa yan sa magiging focus nyo rin ngayong week na to. Yung inyong, self-love, self-care, ayan. You feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. Yes. So, I think isa ito sa naglilimit sa inyo na merong discontentment na parang feeling mo may kulang sa buhay mo but hindi mo ma-pinpoint. So, iniisip mo na baka ikaw yung may mali, no? Or ikaw yung problema. But this is also going to enlighten you, no? Na pwedeng yung mga tao sa paligid mo, sila yung problema. Sila yung naglilimit sa'yo. So, ngayon, mas magiging analytical ka sa pakikinig sa mga payo sa'yo ng ibang tao, lalo na yung mga unsolicited advice. Ayan, may fears, worries, tense situations. So, minsan kasi, yung iba kadalasan, nag-aalala sila sa mga bagay na hindi pa nangyayari. And yun yung naglilimit sa kanila or nagbablock sa kanila in achieving their goals because they are afraid na baka hindi mag-work out yung gusto nila. Okay? So, you have the psychic ability and sinasabi rito, trust your intuition, trust your instinct. If you are going to make some decisions ngayong week na to, magtiwala ka sa iyong instinct kasi ililid ka niyan sa tama. Okay, you have Neptune, 9th house, Scorpio. So, Neptune in Scorpio. Wow. So, meron kang i-explore about your spirituality, Aquarius. So, mas lalo mong lalaliman yung knowledge mo about your belief system. Ano man yung mga pinaniniwalaan mo. Pwedeng religion ito. Pwedeng spirituality, divination. So, you're going to dive deeply. Pwedeng meron kang pag-aaralan. You have the 2 of Wands, 7 of Cups. There's some sort of confusion kasi sa path na gusto mong i-pursue. Oo. So, ang importante dyan, mas maging clear ka sa gusto mo. You also have the 3 of Pentacles. So, you might be working with other people or may mentorship din dito kasi may Hierophant. So, maaring hihingi ka ng guidance sa ibang tao na alam mong mas maraming alam dito sa mga bagay na very much interested ka. Lalo na sa spirituality para magkaroon na ng landas, no? Ng malinaw na path para sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.